Today we have taken a very important type of integration. See, the question is find integrate log x minus 3 by log x to the power 4 dx. How to go about this sum? We'll put log x base e is equal to t. So we get e to the power t is equal to x. So if we differentiating with respect to t, so what we will get? This will give me e to the power t dt is equal to dx. This is what we get, e to the power t dx. This I have differentiated with respect to t, so e to the power t is equal to dx by dt, dt cross e to the power t dt is equal to dx. So let us substitute back. So integration of log x minus 3 by log x to the power 4 dx, this is equals to, in place of log x t minus 3 divided by, this will be t to the power 4, and dx means e to the power t dt. So this is equals to integration of, I can write t by t to the power 4 minus 3 by t to the power 4 into e to the power dt. This means integration of 1 by t cube minus 3 by t to the power 4 into e to the power t dt. These two terms, one is 1 by t cube, another is minus 3 by t to the power 4. Let's have a look at this. 1 by t cube. 1 by t cube means t to the power minus 3. If I differentiate this, what will happen? This will give me minus 3 t to the power minus 3 minus 1. That is minus 3 into t to the power minus 4. That is minus 3 by t to the power 4. So exactly this. That means this particular sum is looking like integration of function of t plus derivative of the function into e to the power t dt. And we know this is a special type of integration by parts, where if any particular sum can be expressible in the form of e to the power t into any function plus the derivative of that function, then the result of this one will be function of t into e to the power t plus c. So here the function of t, what is the function of t? Is 1 by t cube. So this answer will be 1 by t cube into e to the power t plus c. Now what is t? T is, I have taken as logarithm of x. So this will be 1 by log x whole cube into e to the power log x plus c. That's the answer. Hope you have noted the steps and the formula that we have used in this particular case. A similar type of question I am giving you for you to try and practice.